forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Kipetwe Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns won. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola bafethu mngidlana ukonke ngiyabonga siwe.
I don't care who says what. I don't care if umuntu somanenze or mang. He's the best.
Yeah. No ngiyabonga siwe. Thanks man. I appreciate. Sibo. Game namhlanje was very interesting Sibo. I think man I have a new favorite coach Betway. Da Cruz man.
Why?
I think I love the way coach Da Cruz coach ngakhona.
Elaborate.
Sibo mina ngithanda abo coach abacabangayo.
Sure.
Yeah, he's a thing out Da Cruz.
Yeah.
And akathanda ifame. Yazi mina ngine problem nabo coach abathanda bangama influencer.
Rulani.
Yabona ke Sibo. Okay, asiphumi afuni ngoba amazunza ngamanje ayisangama. Da Cruz uza kahle Sibo. On a serious note, Da Cruz is a thinker.
Sure.
We analyze ama-game akazowadlala.
Sure.
We understand the team akanayo.
Sure.
We understand ama-weakness wama-player wakhe.
Sure.
Individually.
Sure.
And as a group.
Yeah.
We understand ukuthi lona mangimbeka nalona uzibaza unginikeza ini.
Yeah.
Uyangithola and for a coach in such a short space of time
Sure.
to have such in-depth knowledge and understanding of team yakhe.
Yeah.
Aye, for that kudos team.
Yeah.
Awuyas deserve star. Kudos.
Hey.
Urayile nguDa Cruz into akayenzile. Before he even started the season, kuna statement akasikhulumile. He said, I'm not competing with Sundowns or Pirates.
Yeah.
Lonto leyo game Sithibo ithi, don't give me any pressure.
Sure.
Allow me time.
Sure.
And lonto leyo I feel ukuthi ngathi the coach nation could understand the message the way he understand ngakhona.
Yeah.
Because there's gonna come a time ukuthi astruggle elikini. You know, ama results awezi, amajita awekho right. And then that's where the support, this energy abanayo manje kulama game lawo kula ezobidingakala khona ke seriously lapho manje results are not coming, amajita heads down after a game, so bagijimele emathanelini awasafuna uqulu. That's where this energy izofunakala khona. So from those words aka coach Da Cruz, I feel ngathi ama coach nation they can take those words bagijime nayo. There's something good that can come from coach Da Cruz. And then I'm saying ukuthi coach Da Cruz kule game lena ube nama center back ayi3.
Sure.
Mikadlala nga5 emuva. Kula ma center back wakhe ayi3 ama leader. Mloyisane was a leader at Stellenbosch.
Sure.
Miguel is a leader like with Kaizer Chiefs. Ukwinika sometimes ayibambi captain Ampeng in the leader. And what I love about Ukwinika, amathekelo wakhe clean.
Yeah.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Fana nomloyisane. You know, they are very neat. You understand ukuthi manginoKwinika nomloyisane, those are very clean.
Yeah.
Akusabantu abangamane bayenza penalty unnecessary, asabantu abangamane bayenza foul in dangerous areas. They know how to take the ball out of your opponent. They understand the game. Abadlali igame ngama emotions, badlali igame ngengqondo.
Abafana noMiguel.
So that's why ngithi ngiyamthanda coach Da Cruz because uyayibona lento leyo. I was wondering why umloyisane angadlali, but he knew the perfect game. Because if uzodlala against the Sundowns, you need thinkers. Uyangithola ukuthi ngabantu aba understand igame, abantu abazoread. I saw a situation umloyisane uyafika ku Kaizer Chiefs. I saw a situation akhuluma noMiguel. There was a run enzo urayide nguLeon. Unfortunately azange athole ipass uLeon. Umloyisane wamdonsa uMiguel wathi Miguel, mawuzogijimisa lo muntu lona mina ngimile. Uval offside trap and angaqeda.
Ichai.
Net. So it shows, imagine having a player like that, so it shows you the understanding, the confidence, and for a player Kaizer Chiefs to be able to give him an ear, it tells you something, there's understanding, he knows the respect, he knows the capabilities. So for that, kudos for Amachit. And then Sizela is Mkhabeni, midfield. Midfielder Uno my boy.
Sure.
The combination le isuka kude kuma respect Friday night ema respect ngoba ngeke uphuma uphila ngali under Fakru David. They understand each other. That combination has been there for a long. So Coach Da Cruz can see there ukuthi no man, these two there's a telepathy, kune understanding. Mangibafaka boy two, there's something engayithola. And then ueda urayide ngu-Ox on that. Now mo eda u-Ox, remember ama attributes wala ma player 3. Undlovu has bit of both. Undlovu uyakwazi ukuba hard, uyakwazi ukudlala. U-Ox ruthless, very hard. Uyangithola? And then uMaboy, uMaboy, he player. Uyangithola? He's a player and also uyakwazi ukuba hard, but uMaboy is willing to do anything and everything. So a combination of a little bit of everything that you need, and that's what you need against the Sundowns. And the reason why Abenali 5 a move, Abenali 3 pagat is to close the central corridors. Like Sundowns, that's number 10 roads. There's a space between defensive 4, defensive 5, the middle field. So you have to close these corridors. And the middle lama have space. Half space, half between winger, half between winger, lama half space now. That's where you want Allende to operate. That's where you want Mkhulis to operate. And when the local chairman wavala lama channel now. That is why you saw what game Sundowns could not take over game immediately. But goal. Go and check Sundowns first half make Orama goal. Pass game. Ikorama goal first half. Previous game at the same time. But in this game, it took them so much time. With Bakbatoli equal that one goal, and they ended the goal 1-1 scoreline. So it shows what Lokoja Kaizer Chiefs make a plan. And then we flip the script. We look at Mamelodi Sundowns. What is the Ganjan? I feel good Mamelodi Sundowns. It was good. Ugleta, Uraring, Obas in that middle field to balance things out. You know what Allende is a ball player. You know what Mkhulis is a ball player. Yes, Allende was Umaka, but is more of a ball player, and Mkhulis is more of a ball player than Umaka. So you have a little bit of a balance for that. And another reason why you are bringing in Obas is for that center back. Whenever guna ma free kick, remember Mamelodi Sundowns in the past games they've been conceding goals gama free kick. So you need someone who can add number gula free kick, someone who can chop in between Johannes no so that you have a height, a move. We can defend a free kick. Namhlanje there's something against Sundowns. We did not concede a free kick. Which in previous game, every game we played, we did concede a free kick. So Mikel Cardoso understood that I have to come up with a plan, and he knew very well. There's something I thought Coach Da Cruz Azoyenzo, when he brings in Mikel, he was gonna also bring in Ecuador, maybe injured, I don't know. But if you bring in Mikel no Ecuador in this game, and the Sundowns may consider a free kick, you know who Nabanta challenge Mamelodi Sundowns in height back or Mikel is a good header in terms of the ball. Ecuador is a good header in terms of the ball. So you need someone to close him down. That's why you needed to Opas to close Mikel. Ngama header. And you also need stability as in Chelili ngama player with Kaizer Chiefs in that middle field. You needed also someone who's gonna be hard because Jovu can be hard, Ox can be hard, and Umabo is not scared to be hard now. So you need someone who competes on physical. So that's why they came. It was the wing icon. Ngizokutshela more, but isikhathi anginaso ngiyabonga.
Bazonkosha leader.